Boom. DJ DreadBeard.
So beg a lion no make them know say your birthday.
No, don't do those stuff. Rather beg a road.
Oh no, give me support them for now. I know me go get mad. Now wait till me get 10 shots in me head.
And you then can't catch you, then just skill busshead. We know already, man. Then I have to tell you, man. Yeah, big up yourself.
The voice that we just hear, his name is blamdem. Is blamdem the new Sir P? If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And may I beg you to like up the video.
DJ DreadBeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
Alright, so before we get to the topics them with in the title, one big up Little Addy. Him and Vibes Cartel them gone back to Panama and celebrate him birthday. You see me? Boy, I see some other artists' birthday pass and gone. So them a big superstar and not even main danger post it. Anyway, left that alone. That a corruption.
Me and my son, Addy, big Addy, little Addy. How you say son? How you say son in Spanish?
Hijo.
And the
Papa.
Fully Gaza. We in Panama. No? I'm out. No, he's PG. No, PG-13, he was little. Now he big. Yes, sir, it's UTG. Yeah, Evo. Yeah. Cheers, nigga.
Cheers, nigga.
Man, I me they want kill, man. I me I dad, man. I me I general, man. Yeah. I Mr. Moore want kill, so me right just so you're not square. That's square.
Yeah, man. Lujan. We know you're done already, man. Yeah, real, man. Yeah, man. We know who know they want kill, man. We know, man. And you then can't catch you, then just kill busshead. We know already, man. Then I have to tell you, man. Yeah, big up yourself. Just go tell it to the police, them who do it. And turn in yourself. And tell the police why man them kill busshead. Tell the police them say, how you go shoot the man them friend. And the man them kill back busshead for retaliation. Yeah, man. You know. Yeah, man. I may have some medication for your AIDS body, sister. Yeah, man. And you know, Ray, man. Go defend busshead thing and not come by me.
And before you get to the moral compass, all mix up. Yes, blamdem, him instigate war, him settings, and him troll people and instigate the other side for war. But Sir P do the same thing. So is blamdem the new Sir P? Something where blamdem forward out and say, I would have some things where Sir P would have normally say like a year ago. You see me? When I want to joke it out, when I want to meme it out. You see me? Remember him call squash, tell it, hoble, and all of them something. So we know say, if when I go say no, because this man have a more gangster approach and a more street approach, or a quote unquote 87 demeanor about him still not different from Sir P. The content we him do, him know things about people. You see me? Whether him know it himself or somebody tell him or whatever, is blamdem the new Sir P. Man, them cut out Sir P and start vlog themselves. And watch out, blamdem him they are foreign too. And blamdem him not show him face. Just like Sir P, man. And people well want catch blamdem. You know how much people want catch blamdem right now? You know, hear the man all say, yo, him sister, the man's sister have AIDS. A whole heap of secret the man a bust out, you know. Like when Sir P did in I'm prime, you know. You see me, when I time the man a say, one of the man them where Finaya dead, like, him cross the border and him tell them say, yo, him a BADMAN and, you see me? So a whole heap of secret Sir P would enough use as a weapon. You see me? So is blamdem the new Sir P. Leave the comments down below what you feel. You see me? Alright, so before me play the video with Candy Wow and Donia, you see me? Since we still on the whole TikTok topic and everybody a talk about ban TikTok, this is one of the realest talk I'm going to make about ban TikTok. You see the only difference with what go on TikTok, and if them remove TikTok and every app we are going forward in the future from Jamaica, you know what the only difference? The only difference is when them something I go on TikTok, you actually get to know the people them where it happen to on a wider scale. So and not only to the community where them forward from. It's like the whole Jamaica would have feel it, cause they wanna get attached to them by seeing them on Instagram or on TikTok at the time. Without TikTok, them it would just be a regular news. Naya from Naya Gang down at Old Harbour. Just a regular news and you move along. Them a kill off themselves at Old Harbour. Alright, BADMAN, move along. You see me busshead from Montego Bay. Shot 5 times in his head, just a regular news. You don't know busshead, you only hear the name. And you say, alright, them a kill off themselves at Montego Bay. The only difference with TikTok, I only get to know the people them. So removing the app now gonna stop them people are from dead. You see me? Unless my theory right. My theory is the reason why them are dead are because them are rank and I make whole heap of money and them are extort them. So if you don't have the app, them would rise and they wouldn't dead. That's the only reason. So either way, I'm right. So if I extort them really, I get extort. Well, a TikTok give them the platform, fear get big, and them end up a get extort. You see me? But that's how I have to say about that. The app only make you get to know them more than just a regular news. But you still gonna hear some people dead on the news. The only difference is you know the person over dead on the news more than an unknown name when you just move along and I go to your day-to-day life. No, when I hear say busshead, that you know busshead on a video. You see me? That's the only reason. So banning TikTok only I go make form no attachment to the victim them or to whosoever. You see me? Back to the candy story, cause they wanna interested in it. They wanna the approach I'm gonna take on the one is not off the grid. You see me? It's not where everybody agree with the approach I'm gonna take on this. Listen what can do what I say.
So beg a lion no make them know say your birthday.
No, don't do those stuff. Rather beg a road. More than come beg. More than disgrace.
So what you really come over here for?
Oh, I come on TikTok for reason with my people. Tell them the good things what's coming.
So based on the comments them what me see in the comment section there, me I got up on the unpopular side. You see me? Me I go sound like Vegas and Cargo them where always sound like they want to go against the grid. You see me? But I don't know go against the grid. Me I talk about right or so. That way can they just make any sense to you? She rather beg on the road than beg on the internet. You see me? That make no sense to you, and everybody I go ignore the part where she say she rather beg on the road and just hear the part where she say yo she know want beg on the internet. And I say in the comments, yes Candy, me rate Candy, yeah man Candy. A foolishness Candy I talk about she rather beg on the road. Where you come on the app for? I come to tell the people them the great things. Yo, that no make no sense. So it seem like Jamaican where always a ball every day and I say yo them for shut down the app and people up on the app are bigger. It seems like them achieve them goal. That's them make even somebody like Candy when I have shit in her name where probably they are the bottom of the food chain afraid for come back on the app. So well done Jamaican. You see me? Because the word begging, yo, if you don't remove the word begging and use the word ask, it sound more appealing, you know. You see me? But I don't know the word beg make it sound away and I don't beg me see the people I'm a beg, you know. You see me? Beg when you come on the app and ask somebody to go to Western Union. If a Western Union the people I'm gonna go and I send money to you, then more I say yo this a begging. You see me? The app and the platform is there where the people them send them gift willingly. You see me? Sometimes you're the point in you not do nothing. You probably play music and people are give you, but you not gonna get the kind of gift them like the people them way I do what them people I do. You see me, like what Dona them do and Swissly them and them people do. You see me? You're not gonna get the big gift them way there, but me not see it as begging, bro. You see me? And the way how she say it, she rather beg on the road. So you have to say you rather go on the road and go beg. You see me? And at the end of the day, you probably get $5,000. Rather than for them on TikTok and I give a joke or tell a story or whatever people do. Forget gift. Cause remember, you know, you can't just take up yourself and say you're begging, you know, you have to do something to grab the people's attention, you know. So she rather go on the road and go beg. You see me? Tell lie upon people and trick people and dress up in our clothes and put on pan in front there and spread out and a beg. And people are drop that dollar coin in it, $100. You see me? That you rather do. Yo, that no make no sense. You see me? So I guess them achieve the word begging and make it sound a way that's even somebody like Candy. You see me? And you have people where that sound intelligent will probably I gonna use a Candy say just because them dip on the side I call them beggar. You see me? Probably all a man like all 2 lakhs if found out and use the clip there and say Candy will actually have morals, but no, bro. Candy wanna have no morals, man. She said she rather beg on the road. At the same begging. And not even the same begging, cause me wanna have a begging bone in me. Rather go up on TikTok and do something to get gift more than to go up on the road. Everybody rather do that on TikTok than go up on the road. So a foolishness that Candy just say. But as me say, everybody in the comment section, not even one somebody me see in the comment section I say, yo, a foolishness she attack. You see me? Everybody I say, yo, well done Candy, clapping emoji. You see me? And me not just call 2 lakhs name because so like me a pick on him, but 2 lakhs them I do something this way me can see. Remember some me predict all about something 2 lakhs I go doing and him do it, you know. So this is something me can say 2 lakhs use and say Candy will say she not beg pan the app, you see me? But the reason why I may even bring up 2 lakhs, I see the man are different Pretty Dan just because Pretty Dan big him up. So 2 lakhs I said something about Vibes Cartel and Jaden and Pretty Dan found out and I said the same thing where I say. So because he want to use Pretty Dan clip and Pretty Dan big him up, the man start agree with Pretty Dan and start say, yo, Jano, Pretty Dan a Irma for that and me see with her. You see me? Remember a couple months ago at the same 2 lakhs that are this Pretty Dan and the most way I call her it. Or I call it it. You see me? And I this is the most way. So when you that cuss her, you never know what Irma for that mean. So because now she say, yo, big up 2 lakhs on them man because them man they would have never hug up Jaden. And because she said that now, automatically you sympathize with Pretty Dan. Pretty Dan and say, yo, Jano, me Irma for that, I can't even have no youth. You see me, I want to grow up and have me youth them I don't know, my credit card and me youth them stress me out. So it's a like a touching story and it touch 2 lakhs heart and him finally him agree and say, yo, Jano, 2 lakhs are Pretty Dan a Irma for that, so me see with her. Why you never apologize to this star a couple months ago and call her it before you start agree say, yo, Pretty Dan a Irma for that, so we not beat her again, you see me? If for the position they are take, that means you can't beat no more gay person because you don't know who are hermaphrodite from who are just naturally fish. You see me? So that's why I may even bring up 2 lakhs in this. Him probably use the Candy or something because him dep on the side where I say, yo, them a big on TikTok. You see me? That's how I all have to say about that. I'm not go no deep reasoning in that. You see me? But here is the same 41 busshead. I beg. He must say, yo, he want all of the gift them before him dead. So, they must say, yo, more than you have to know where you talk some things into being. So, we are going to take you out with 41 busshead. Actually, I beg pan TikTok, and him actually I say something and hold on, before me cut. So, when I say, can they have more morals than the people them where I beg. You see me? Today her birthday and she come on TikTok. Not for beg. You see me? So you say she have more morals than the hot girl them who say I beg on TikTok. The one who live in a house and live somewhere and I beg. Anyway, 41 busted of this for say. I am out.
Oh no, give me support them from now. I know me go get mad. Now wait till me get 10 shots in a me head for me life. You no go come give my family them. Our man come me build fake page and say if you busted family. That time I no busted family I get the money. Or me no know who go get money cause me dead. You no come give me now. Me need my gift them now before me go down in a hole. More me gift them. Me are 23. And me no want dead when me are 23. Me need me gift them now. So pack up all I give them now. Send come give me this morning.
DJ DreadBeard. Subscribe now.
Insight Informative Entertainment Vlog.